Okay, so welcome to video module 2 of the course. It's about wanna. Now, wanna is want to. Wanna. Simple, right? Yes and no. Yes, it is simple, but there are some small mistakes, small little secrets I want to show you for you to speak English with wanna and use wanna perfectly with zero mistakes. Okay, let's go. So, the basics. In English, the infinitive is to plus the verb. Now, we have seen this before about to, by, to, etc., right? So, I want to go, I need to go, I would like to buy, I'm going to, right? So, always remember that it's to plus the verb. Because in other languages, after to, it's sometimes I want go. I need buy. I would like see it. I'm going talk to them. Be very, very careful. You always need that want to, need to, would like to. Now, what I want to show you is about want to will become wanna. So the wanna. So I want to do it tomorrow. I wanna do it tomorrow. Now, the first point is about wanna is with I, you, we, they. We will see in the next videos that it's not always so simple with he and she. That I want to buy it, I wanna buy it, you wanna. So that N is here. Wanna. We wanna buy it, they wanna buy it. In the negative, I don't wanna buy it, you don't wanna buy it, we don't, they don't wanna. Okay? Now this is a simple, it's just video 1 to show you the basics. About to practice examples with I, you, we, they. We will see more complicated examples in the next videos, but this is simple. So, simple questions. What do you want to do today? Pause. What will contract? What will change? So the examples are now more complicated. So what will change? Pause, repeat, and listen. Okay? What do you wanna? What do you wanna do today? So a little faster. What do you wanna? So what do you want to do? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do today? What do you wanna do today? I want to go to the city center later today. I want to go to the city center later today. What happens to to? I want to go to the city center later today. So I want to go to the city center later today. A little fast. I want to go to the city center later today. So the city center later today. They do not want to come today. They want to come tomorrow. So they don't want to come today. They want to come tomorrow. So that T and don't, we will see in the next modules. They don't want to come today. They want to come tomorrow. We want to get up early tomorrow to catch the bus. Right? We want to get up early tomorrow to catch the bus. We want to get up early tomorrow to catch the bus. We want to get up early tomorrow to catch the bus. So to catch the bus. We want to get up. It was a good experience, but I don't want to live there again. It was a good experience, but I don't wanna live there again. So the S in was, it was a good experience, but I don't want to live there again. But I don't want, but I don't wanna, but I don't wanna. But I don't want to live there again. Okay? Where do they want to meet us? Where do they wanna meet us? So where do they wanna meet us? Where do they wanna meet us? So here ends the first video in module 2 about wanna. Join me in the next video to continue learning the little secrets about want to wanna. See you there.